So the first reason is that your charger does not support USB-C power delivery, or it does not have enough wattage. Many phone chargers are not going to charge your laptop. It's not going to work. Laptops usually need 45 watts, 65 watts or higher. The second reason why is that you're using a cable that does not support charging. Some USB-C cables are for data only or just have very low power. You need a cable that supports USB-C PD. The third reason why is because you plugged your USB-C cable into a USB-C port that does not support charging. Some USB-C ports are just for data or for video only. You have to make sure that you plug your USB-C port into the correct USB-C charging port. The fourth reason why is because your charger or the cable is faulty. You want to try a different one because it might be damaged. See if that works. Now we're going to try some backup fixes on Windows. So for the first method, go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next method, go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand batteries. Now you want to find your laptop battery. You want to right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. Next, we're going to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator and then click on yes. And now once you run this, you want to type in msdt.exe space -id space power diagnostic and then click on enter. And now this will come up, the battery and power troubleshooter. Click on next. It's now going to start detecting any issues. Just wait for this to load. If it finds anything, it will try to fix it for you. See if that works. Now for the final method, I would recommend taking your laptop to a PC repair shop and then see if they can find the issue for you.